Welcome back to Jim's Teardrop Garage. Today we're going to go over what I did in the past couple weeks. Haven't been doing too much. It's been really hot here in Central Texas. Today it's 106 and I'm not doing a whole lot. So I'm going to go over what I have done, okay? Bear with me. Alright, so far I've got the diamond plate put across the bottom of the front here, and the aluminum that goes all the way up across the top. It's on there. It was a little bit of a pain to bend that, but it's on there. Still got to put the moldings moldings and the inserts on the top and the bottom and the sides. I also installed a little connection here for my wiring that goes into my tongue box. That'll come along later on. And I did manage to get one side put on, the diamond plate on the bottom, and here, and I got the door on. So it's on there. Seems to work okay. Yeah, it was a little bit of a chore out here in the heat. Everything wanted to get a little hot on me, but we're getting there. Yeah. So probably this next week I'll get a chance to do the other side. Have to get out here early in the morning before 11 o'clock, and then it starts getting like over 100. So gotta work it in. Thanks for watching.